Man, I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up at the lot, no more lease we pay.
Why do I always do this to myself?
To a crib, had the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt. I remember them days we couldn't wait for the first. Finally made me a meal, now we eating off.
Always gotta use that hand sanitizer, baby. Whew. Finally made it to the gas station. I did not get stranded on the road. Got all of the boys some coffee and some energy drinks, and we're gonna go ahead and get our day started on the EK. I went in there, I got bad allergies, and I'm just like sniffing, and they're just looking at me really weird. Bro, I don't got corona, man. So me hooking it up, bro. What's up?
Whoa! You got your camera plates and everything?
Step on the clutch, come on. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're doing some coilovers on the Honda EK today. And we fixed that little screeching noise. It was only the alternator belt that was making the noise, so we switched that out and it works. It doesn't make noise anymore.
Oh, the first drive. You got it. Got it. I said there was no guidance, fucker.
Give you guys a little look of the before.
I know, what do you think? I'm like making sure it's
Look at this wheel gap right here. This shit is about to go on the ground.
Fucking Tommy or fucked up my fender, dude.
Oh yeah.
Letting you know.
This is the ugliest wheel gap I've ever seen.
That's the last thing.
You said it was okay.
I don't touch your hand.
So the idle's still there on the.
Oh really?
Yeah, it came back.
Explain what we gotta take off, dude.
Okay, wheels.
Yep. Check.
And then I think this bolt right here.
Are you talking so gay?
And then right here.
Okay.
You split it.
And that's it?
I think so. Or maybe this one too.
No.
Wait, are we taking off the whole fork?
Yeah, the whole fork.
Oh, he bought new.
So the bottom one, the top, and then the 2 bolts on top. This should be easy. Everyone's been doing this. Let's just show them the cool stuff.
You got some camber kits. Damn, this is some Somchay type of looking camera kit.
No, they're cheap.
Cheaper, dude. You got some colorful ass ones.
Wow.
Wow, they look quality.
Wow. There's taking out the front coils or the regular struts, stock struts.
We can just take this down next to this.
And
It's gonna be deep, but
trying to take
Oh,
out
that's gonna be hard.
the plastic pieces so that we can work on the back. Were the top hats okay, Sommy? That one above the speaker.
Yeah, we took out the speaker because it's hard. It's pretty hard to rip out the trimming.
Here's the soft suspension. Maybe 10 minutes into this already.
Oh wow, that was fast.
We take off the other side too. I could just do it by myself.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Julio.
just over here way.
See, it's just 2 bolts, right? 2 bolts and then 1 bolt, right?
2. There's
4
2 on
bolts
bottom.
4 bolts in total. So 2 on top, 2 on the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah, pretty easy, straightforward. Hire us next time.
See? Just like
Wow.
Oh wow, so cool.
that. So cool, bro. Man. Fucking fun.
Hey, in the rear, we're just gonna disconnect the speakers because this trimming is fucking hard.
No, hey, we should just get the trim.
No, through the speaker, look how much room you got. Look.
Oh, okay. Oh,
You know it's quality shit when they send you a Honda badge right
oh,
here.
they
When,
give you a Honda badge?
no.
Oh. Oh, a team badge. Oh, where's the top? Where is it?
You don't see it? The top hat? It's right there. Seriously, Tom.
Where is it? Oh, Sorry.
Oh, he got an adjustable one too. It's
Dampening, bro.
Dampening, yeah. Just a front.
Here's the goodies right here. Yeah, boy.
This costs more than his car right now.
Yeah.
That's the front.
Are those the
He's a happy
fronts?
man.
That's the front.
Happy man over there.
Front.
Alright, here's the new one compared to the stock one.
You go hella low.
It's at the back of the front.
This is the front.
Fucking max it out then. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Oh, we won't fuck a preload. We'll just do this.
Max it
Let's
out.
max it out. Fuck
Don't
it.
get my face.
You're too ugly, man. Too ugly.
Got the coil in already. I just need that 14. Where did it? So easy. So easy, man.
Yeah. Oh.
What?
Wait, you spin the wrong way?
No.
It just ended up snapping when we were loosening it.
Oh, it's probably rested on.
So, here's the bolt. We got the long part out, good thing, but we still have like the little end piece that's still inside the suspension.
My job's done.
Front's done. Now let's go work on the back.
Yeah, if I can get off the trimming because I have no freaking leverage.
Let me see. What the hell are you doing right now?
Genius.
Holy shit, that's 3 extensions right there.
See that?
Don't
Leverage?
take Viagra.
Hey, which one?
Push.
That's right.
Yeah,
Yeah, good.
Push.
Oh,
Is it
Push.
Come on, man. Use your
the other
muscles.
way?
Oh my gosh.
No. Or maybe that, but yeah.
It's that way.
Yeah, it's this way.
Oh, you broke the bolt.
See that, Somi? Fucking IQ
I
right
was
there.
pulling, and then I realized it was pushed just barely. Right before you said it. That's why I was agreeing with you.
You fucking
There you
dumbass.
go.
That's probably how you broke the other one, bro.
No, I was doing it right. Bao was doing it wrong at first, and then I took over and I
No,
was
Miles
doing
right. You're wrong.
The bolt broke. So we're both wrong.
See that, Somi?
Damn, look at that. What the
it.
fuck?
Fucking food's genius. Fucking IQ of 180 right there.
I say at least 200.
Yeah.
No, like
200.
6 or 7.
See that?
Get it?
Yeah, I lost a loose bolt.
6 or
I lost the
7.
bolt. I didn't lose all of it.
Yeah,
I lost a loose.
Ow, my toe. Oh, my toe.
Oh shit. This looks real weird.
I got your butt shaking. That's so funny. I got your butt shaking. That's coming up.
Because there's not in the thingy no more. It's just
Motherfucker,
like-
that's not
you have
even
to
one
take
bolt
this out.
first of all.
You have to take this
Yeah,
out.
we gotta take this one out.
Oh, yeah.
Why are you yelling at me? You said just one bolt, fool.
No, I didn't. You said it was one bolt.
That's Tommy.
Stay tuned for the right side.
It's Tommy. Tommy said that. Here, we use a brick bar, dude.
Other way, Bob.
No, it's down.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. It's up. It's up. It's up.
Come on, you
It's
guys.
up.
You know how to work on a car?
Nope. Apparently not.
I got you, get in the hole.
Hey, hold it.
Oh, look at this. Teamwork.
Two.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yep. Keep going.
Oh, Tommy!
Oh, I broke the bolt.
Oh my god.
Fuck!
Fuck, get out now. What the fuck?
You broke it?
Yeah.
You broke a clean off.
Oh my god.
You sure it was up?
Yeah.
No, it's just that.
Left.
Hey, that's Kevin. Kevin's not down.
No, if you
Not
go
up.
this way, if you go
Yeah.
this way, that's left. Lefty tight, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So if
right
you go down,
there.
it's going
Oh my
tighty.
god.
Kevin, yeah.
But they went up.
Yeah, if you go up, that's left.
You're right. You can't think. Whoa, what are we gonna do?
Look at that over there, dude.
Dude, these are hella rusted though.
Because it's so bad.
There's fucking rust in the middle of this shit.
I don't feel that bad.
There's rust inside the bolt.
I broke one, Bow broke one, Food broke one. Who's next? Hey, what were you saying about my front bolts again? I shouldn't replace them.
Well, the thing is, studs ball pretty easy.
There's rust inside the bolt.
Yeah.
That's how the other. Oh no, but you see how it's rusted on the outside?
Yeah.
That could mean it's rusted inside too on the front too.
These are nice over here.
Yeah, these are comfortably like. Well, what we need to do, drill?
Let's take the whole thing
Let's
out.
take the whole thing out.
Yeah, take the whole
Anyone got what is this? An EK4 back suspension? Let us know.
What are you trying to
Face down,
say?
ass up, bro. Face down,
rust.
ass up. Hey, you gotta go 18s at the front.
You know what I don't understand?
18s at the back, 17s at the
How the
front.
hell am I gonna order all of my parts at once? And the 2 things that we broke for the bolts, we gotta take off the control arms. I didn't even get my control arms in yet.
Wow.
Like, you know how easy this would have been with it?
Yeah, we have to get so hard just replacing it. What did they?
We're
What?
stuck in the same problem.
But we could just replace everything. These are all rusted.
Wait, did they come with bolts filled?
Yeah,
Or is
they
it-
come with new bolts.
You sure? Because a lot of them don't.
Well, take the whole assembly off now, dude.
Yeah, we gotta
Just
take
fucking
that.
take
And
everything
then
off.
either way, you gotta replace the rear camper. This is a rear camper kit right
Yeah,
here, huh?
I have to replace it.
Well, let's take this bolts. No, I'm not taking no bolts off for the rest of the day, dude.
Break everything!
No fucking more. I'm not
Break
touching
everything.
shit.
Hey, B.
I'll pay this.
Dude, I was like, hell yeah, Val. He pulls it out.
Kevin's like, you loosened that shit.
It felt good. It felt good.
Yeah.
I was like, pop.
You pulled it out. Damn, what the other half at?
That's it. Hey, so you know why it's called a breaker bar, right?
I'm gonna break the bolt.
It's not break a bar, it's break the car.
Breaker bolt. Breaker bolt.
Bolts, dude, because we were fucking around. Like, we were just like, I thought that bolt secured really good. I was like,
Fucking big ass bolt. That would have been good.
yeah, I told Bounty, hold on to it. I lift the hell up. Boom. Like, shit.
Now we got 2 problems.
Did you bust the nut?
Real quick,
You
real
busted the nut real quick.
30 seconds in, dude.
Both of you guys busted the nut real quick.
Dude, I thought that was good.
It
Don't.
lasts longer.
I busted it. I was still going.
It
Creep
lasts
high.
a little longer.
He's so sad back there.
I'm so sorry, Tommy.
It's okay, I'm just getting defeated today. This is the problem with working on older cars. Can I get some help on this?
Yes. No, I'm not touching Kevin's shirt.
He's got a...
Master Tech, baby.
It's already loose.
I'm on the bench right now. I got bench.
Anyone have my vape?
They called me in.
No way! Dude, this
fuck?
thing is your whole back, dude.
I'm just kidding.
That's how I picked it up. This hand was still over there. You picked that one up with the other one.
Psych, you got me. Psych, bitch.
You want to know how I know it?
Gotcha, bitch.
You know how I know it wasn't broken? Because I'm the one that loosened it. So I felt it moving. I already knew he was fucking around.
Kevin's almost done on this
Yeah, this
side.
side's down.
Oh yeah, good look, Chris.
Yeah, you about to break up.
I think I might have broken it.
I hope not, dude. Don't say that.
Watch out.
Ah! Ooh.
Watch out, I said. I said watch out.
Show me 1, bolt 2.
Heck yeah.
How the hell do you replace the subframe or do you just add it? Oh.
Ground 1, some 0.
So, we're on a part 2 of the rear suspension.
It's not as sweet.
We're gonna take out the grip bolts on the broken bolts.
One fits.
Let's see.
Check it.
Is it like seeds
Good.
in there?
Yeah, I can see the other side. Oh, it's not good. Hold on, I'm trying to get this done.
So we got this one out. We got 2 more to go. Look what I broke.
Snap shit when you
We got a problem.
UPS guy came just in time, baby. This thing's getting a whole new suspension.
The box is ripped.
Oh!
Everyone opens my car first before I do.
Oh, whatever. They're your corner.
Hey, we're trying to get your shit done. No, yeah, cut those up.
You guys find
It's okay, so mate. Oh, you're gonna break your wrist with the tape, dude.
The fucking little kids on Christmas all over, man. This is not even my project car. This is everyone. This is the team's project car at this point.
But it's your car.
Yeah. Woo! Okay.
You think you're tight, huh?
You look at that motherfucking rainbow, bro.
Fucking better than random colors. At least it'll go with the
What size is that?
color I want.
That's
Oh, there's something. I'm sorry. 17.
How's your day going?
It's fucking terrible.
All these fucking bolts are rusted. Took us all day to get control arm off. Oh no.
How'd you turn it?
Every bolt is fucking stuck.
You just bash it out?
That's gone. That took forever. We're trying to put the camera kit in there now. And holy shit. The fronts are easy. The backs.
Fuck the back. Fuck you from the back.
How many bolts you break today?
Just one.
Somebody broke one.
I didn't break any, luckily.
Yeah, we're just gonna get this camera kit in and call it a day.
So
Well, we're giving up for today. Got one of the camera kits in. No arms. Front coils in. Looking beautiful.
Wait, where's your Phillips?
Look at this fool's hair right now. Holy shit.
God. Ciao, Swishman. Gonna get some crazy hair.
Hey, we're gonna end it here. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, baby.
See you next time.
Peace. We're done. So tired.